Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. A very warm welcome to all of you in today's live session. Manushala aims to democratize preventive mental health care solution in India, which not only focuses on clinical therapy but also focuses on alternative therapy. Today, I Tamanna Rajpal will be hosting today's live session. I am an expert with Manushala, working as a child psychologist, and I deal with behavioral issues of the kids. As we celebrate International Men's Day, there's a lot of consider about men's mental health. The stronger sex, as they say, might not be how we imagine it to be. Research studies across the globe despite men has increased risk of battling depression and anxiety compared to women. They are really given the space or the sensitivity to talk about mental health for what can be looked as an alarming call, societal addition, or also twice more prevalent among than men. So today we will be discussing about men's mental health. Mental health, and our today's speaker is Sakar Narula, who is the founder of Zenter Minds. Hi Sakar.
Hi, Tamanna, how are you?
Uh, I am fine. How are you? I hope there's no background sound. I hope
No,
everything is
there's no
fine.
background sound. Can you hear me properly as well?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, perfect.
So, So today we will be discussing about men's mental health, and our today's speaker Sakar Narula, who is the founder of Zenton Mind. He is a counseling psychologist and expressive art and movement therapist based certified from CID UNESCO. He is also trained as a cognitive behavior specialist in providing couple therapy and visual therapy. He has an experience of working with individuals of diverse age range undergoing anxiety, stress, depression, and other related disorder. He also facilitated multiple workshops for same, which has given him practical exposure in this field. So, hi Sakar, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you doing?
I am fine and welcome to Manushala's life.
Most welcome.
So, I just wanted to know how's your hand first. I remember you
My
had a
hand,
fracture. Oh, still okay.
it's there. It's going to take some time now. Yeah,
Okay. So I would start and like while I'll be asking questions, if we get any questions from the audience, we can answer them later. Okay.
sure.
So I
Perfect.
think this is one of the favorite topic I have been waiting because like we had a session in October, but due to our both of our health, it got cancelled. So I had this is one of my favorite topic I wanted to discuss. So, why does society not acknowledge man's mental health? And why does society disagree men's emotion?
Why does society not acknowledge men's mental health? It's a stereotype that I would definitely like to point out that men are considered to be a much more stronger species in a way कि okay ठीक है they can't be broken, they have to take care of the family, and not since now, it's been there since the time of Adam and Eve कि okay men needs to actually go out and fight the whole world, and women are supposed to actually manage the home on the other hand. But time has changed, these concepts, these stereotypes have not changed accordingly. Men are still considered to be the people who are there to actually support the family, have to take care of the whole family, have to not exactly acknowledge their own emotions, but to take care of other people's emotion around them, in the family, around the family, with their friends. And if somebody exactly points that out, okay, okay, no, I'm not feeling well. If a guy actually comes to you and say, okay, I'm not feeling well, emotionally and mentally, they are suppressed. they get suppressed by the weight of the world. अरे तू तो यार लड़का है, तुझे थोड़ी ना ये सब होना चाहिए, तुझे परेशानी थोड़ी ना होनी चाहिए। यू आर नॉट सपोज टू फील दैट वे। कोई बात नहीं, अरे ये लड़कियों की तरह रोना छोड़, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है कि लड़कियों की तरह रोना और लड़कों की तरह रोने में क्या डिफरेंस है, टू बी प्रिसाइज। मैंने तो दोनों को रोते हुए देखा है, दोनों एक जैसा ही रोते हैं somehow। ठीक है, तो आई वुड से कि ये बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है जो कि कंसिडर करना चाहिए हमको अभी फिलहाल में। एंड we are human beings, have to be treated like human beings, and a person should not be um, biased based on their own gender, and they should be treated equally in a way.
Okay. So, Sakar, so this would be a little different question from the topic, but you are also a psychologist and you are a male, and we both know that we are from the same college. So we had that ratio: girls were more and boys were less. Then, as a
Hmm.
like, what was that thing that made you like, okay, I want to become a psychologist? Yeah, or there was no force from the parents ki no, don't become the psychologist, be an engineer, doctor, anything else. Did you had that issue with your parents? I know it's a personal, but I really want to know from a male's perspective as well.
My parents, my parents are quite open. They did not exactly pushed me क्योंकि you don't have to take psychology. They were quite okay about it. They did actually pointed it out once or twice because किसके पेरेंट्स को ये नहीं होता कि मेरे बच्चे अच्छे से सेटल हो जाएं। एंड साइकोलॉजी इज अ वुमेन ओरिएंटेड इंडस्ट्री ऑन द अदर हैंड। एंड अगर वहां पे कोई मेल जाएगा इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ प्रॉब्लमैटिक इशू विच इज टू सम एक्सटेंट, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट। मैंने पर्सनली फेस नहीं किया, बट आई हैव सीन दिस थ्रू आउट द years जितना हमने पढ़ाई करी है। यू ऑल्सो नो दैट क्या रेशियो रहता था। इट वाज समथिंग लाइक व्हाट 10:1, 20:1 का रेशियो था। 20 women, 10 women and one guy over there in the class, so ये रेशियो रहता था। yes there is, but personally I have not felt this, but हाँ ये बोला जाता है कि क्या तुम ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जाता है। आई थिंक इट्स मोर मच मोर एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ अ मेल, क्योंकि तुमको कुछ अलग करना चाहिए, बट तुम्हारे को दुनिया में सबसे अच्छा काम करना है, मेहनत वाला काम करना है। यू आर सपोज टू डू समथिंग लाइक ओके बिकम अ सर्जन मे बी, और बिकम एन इंजीनियर मे बी, सो दैट तुम्हारी वैल्यू ऊपर हो, यू आर केप्ट अबव अदर पीपल। बट आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स द पॉइंट राइट नाउ। women are also leading in those industries in a way, so why not men leading in these industries? Why not?
Okay, thank you. And what forced, like, what was that thing that made you realize, okay, I want to become a psychologist?
What made me realize? That's quite a funny story. I couldn't clear my medical as per the norms of Indian society कि नहीं यार करना है, but फिर मेरे पास choice थी कि भाई I can go to something like क्योंकि मैंने engineering कर लिया, कुछ और कर लिया, but I thought कि this is going to be interesting. Also, it had very less scopes, and I personally like something challenging in my life, so that was one calling. कि, okay, let's try this. Also, this field was interesting, but at that time when I cleared my 12th exams, and उस टाइम पे साइकोलॉजी इतना नहीं था, आज से 8 साल 9 साल पहले शायद इट वाज नॉट दैट प्रोमिनेंट। मेरे शहर में तो, सिटी में तो स्कूल्स में थी नहीं साइकोलॉजी, बहुत बहुत कम स्कूल्स में साइकोलॉजी थी। सो I got to know about this stream when I started studying. I got into it, then I got to know, okay, these are the diversifications. This is what it is now, and I have to deal with it now, and I have to become the best out of it. So, yeah, that was it.
Oh, that's great. Okay. So, what are men's mental health issue?
What are men's mental health issue? Men's mental health issue leads to physical health issue. That's one thing. Okay.
Yeah.
We did a research quite while back, अभी थोड़ा टाइम पहले, जिसमें we pointed out a few things जहाँ पे physical health issues जो males में रहते हैं, they are much more comparatively stronger in number देन फीमेल्स. एंड व्हाई इज दैट? एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज हम लोगों को, यानी कि मेल्स को, अपने को नहीं बोलना चाहिए, मेल्स को सप्रेस करा जाता है, उनके इमोशंस को सप्रेस किया जाता है. एंड एक बात ये है, अगर आप किसी चीज को, किसी एनर्जी को, इमोशंस आर लाइक एनर्जी, फीलिंग्स आर लाइक एनर्जी, अगर हम उसको सप्रेस करेंगे, इट्स गोइंग टू not get destroyed, it's going to stay somewhere and it's going to find some other way to let it out. And उसका तरीका ये होता है कि भाई, अब मैंने आज अपने इमोशंस को नहीं निकाला, मान लो, इट्स गोइंग टू कम एट मी आफ्टर लाइक 20 years, 25 years, दैट मुझे हार्ट इश्यूज हो गए हैं, या मुझे हाइपरटेंशन का इशू हो गया है, या फिर मुझे शुगर का इशू हो गया है, डायबिटीज हो गया है. इट स्टार्ट्स कमिंग आउट दैट वे. ठीक है, बट इट डज कम आउट. So it's like an energy which can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one form to another, and that's what happens in males. So फिजिकल हेल्थ इश्यूज हम जितना देखते हैं मेल्स के अंदर, वो मेजरली उसका कॉज हमारे मेंटल हेल्थ इशू हैं, जो कि प्रॉपर टाइम पे डील नहीं करे गए. लाइक स्ट्रेस, बहुत छोटी सी चीज है यार, मुझे स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, हम बहुत कॉमनली बोलते हैं इस चीज को. बट स्ट्रेस भी हमारे दो तरह के होते हैं, यू स्ट्रेस एंड डिस्ट्रेस. यू स्ट्रेस इज समथिंग दैट कीप्स अस like on our feet, but distress is something that pulls us back as well. So acknowledging that fact and noticing कि ये यूस्ट्रेस है, कि ये डिस्ट्रेस है, किस तरह का स्ट्रेस है, that's important for us to actually move forward in a right direction. Along with that, स्ट्रेस के अलावा डे टू डे लाइफ इश्यूज होते हैं. एंजाइटी एक बहुत बड़ा कॉमन इशू है, जो कि देखा जाता है मेल्स में भी बहुत ज्यादा. देखा गया जाता है, दिखाई नहीं देता है. वो ये क्या है, अरे नहीं कुछ नहीं है, चिल कर, तू कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है, जा स्टेज पर बोल दे जो बोलना है, जा प्रेजेंटेशन दे दे. देर एक्सपेक्टेड अ लॉट and in return they get anxious a lot as well. ठीक है. Along with that, depression is also one of the most prominent problems, जो कि आज की डेट में एटलीस्ट इंडियन मेंस के अंदर बहुत ज्यादा देखी जाती है. It goes unacknowledged, completely unacknowledged. I know a lot of people in my family as well who are going through something similar, but they won't acknowledge it, they won't like seek help for it as well. Okay, so it's very important for us to actually acknowledge these three प्राइमरी थिंग्स. ये तो बहुत कॉमन है, इसके अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है जो मेंस मेंटल हेल्थ में कवर होता है कहीं ना कहीं, बट ये तीन चीजें डे टू डे लाइफ में आप देख भी सकते हो, नजर भी आती हैं, फील भी कर सकते हो, और इनको रेड फ्लैग भी कर सकते हो एंड डील भी कर सकते हो.
Okay. So, Saka, you are also a psychologist. So I just want to know, you would also be a part of a lot of groups, like you would have a lot of friends. So when you know your friend is discussing something and you are trying to understand, ki, okay, he is going through stress or anxiety, how, as a not being a psychologist as well as a friend, how do you guide him that he should consider a psychologist or a counselor? Like, how can we explain, like explaining a female might be a little easier as compared to explaining a male, so how do you do that? This is something this is
यहाँ
something
पे
I
ना,
personally want to know.
नो डेफिनेटली, ये यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर आ जाता है एक रोल डाइवर्जन का. आप एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट बात कर रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड से, या एज अ फ्रेंड बात कर रहे हो अपने फ्रेंड से? I would say that at that time, treat that friend like a friend only, rather than becoming their psychologist, because there's going to be bias that you're going to feel. So you don't have to become their psychologist, but you have a plus point. Being a friend plus being a psychologist as well, you can point out those red flags and you can let him know, कि, okay, these are the things that you're going through, and I would recommend you to go and see a psychologist. एंड इफ यू फील दैट कि सामने वाला कन्विंस हो रहा है, हेल्प हिम आउट इन फाइंडिंग अ गुड साइकोलॉजिस्ट देन, because we have our ethical issues that we cannot exactly treat our
Exactly.
friends or
Right.
our family members. So we have to exactly figure out a way where you are not exactly giving him, being a psychologist, or not being a psychologist to him, but being a friend and a psychologist, you are helping him seek help in a way.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, why isn't men health taken seriously?
Why isn't men's mental health
Men's mental health taken
taken
seriously?
seriously? Why isn't? I think I've given this answer अभी थोड़ी देर पहले because of the stereotype. First thing कि भाई कुछ नहीं हो सकता. ऑल्सो ये खाली स्टीरियोटाइप पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है, ये एक सेल्फ मेल के अंदर भी आता है कि ओके आई एम सपोज टू बी अ मैन, आई एम सपोज टू बी अ मैन ऑफ द हाउस एंड आई कांट क्राई, आई कांट टेक इमोशंस, आई कांट डू दिस और दैट, आई हैव टू बी स्ट्रांग इनफ. Today also um, I had a call with that guy actually told me कि okay, there's a lot going on in my life and I'm not exactly letting people inside my comfort zone, my safe space. Because I try to deceive people by putting up a persona on my face. कि, okay, I have no issues, I am all good, I'm doing fine, and I don't let people come inside my own space. And होता क्या है, after some time I get tired of deceiving, of holding on to that persona. Just imagine you look good when you wear a lehenga sari, right? And go to the marriage or of any function, right? Amazing, beautiful. I'll wear a three-piece suit and I'll go to the marriage and function and enjoy it pretty well. If I ask you to like wear it for a week completely, you can't change your clothes. Can you?
No, I can't wear
You're
it
going to
for a
get
week.
tired and घर आते क्या होता है, अरे यार ये कपड़े उतारो पहले चेंज करो, नॉर्मल पजामे टी शर्ट में पहुंचो उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे, है ना? This is how people actually like deceive. They get tired of deceiving. They are carrying a persona of I'm the most happiest person in this world. And आप ये सोचो कितने टाइम तक आप वो कर सकते हो. और होता क्या है, when a male personality or when a man actually tries being stronger in front of the people around them, they like that particular thing starts eating them up from inside. And someday they are going to lose that persona. And when that happens, the reality comes out. It's not going to happen in front of other people. It's not mostly happens when they are alone, sitting, maybe drinking, maybe just like lying in the bed, and the reality hit them hard that they are going through something. But they are not going to
Thank
tell it to other people just because, oh, I can't do that. This is not me. I can't show my weakness, my vulnerability. Crying, showing, cribbing, और मैं cribbing भी इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because it's considered to be cribbing in a way. ठीक है, quote
cribbing.
unquote. It's considered to be cribbing कि यार ये तो हर बात पे आके बोलता है. वो शायद जेंडर के लिए नहीं है, वो हर किसी के लिए है. That's why I'm using this word. But normally it's being used continuously कि मैं अगर जाके क्रिप करूंगा या मैं रोऊंगा किसी के सामने, I'll show my vulnerability and the other person is not going to understand me either, or they are going to use my vulnerability against me, or I'll be portrayed as a person who's weak. So that's why I would say.
Okay, thank you. Okay, how do appearance pressure take a toll on men's mental health?
How do appearance pressure take a toll on men's mental health? Appearance pressure take a toll on both genders' mental health in a way. ठीक है, I'll say this, ठीक है, in a way because I've seen it personally, women going through a lot of issues, appearance issues, along with men. Men के अंदर ये है कि they are not going to show it off, but they'll be like, यार, I can't go and talk to this girl because I'm not worthy enough, because I don't look good. I'm not going to go there and I'm going to person. I won't be able to give this presentation. These
Okay.
things are happening on daily basis and I think this is happening with both male and female. फीमेल्स के साथ शायद किसी और वे में होता है, उनके सेल्फ डाउट्स आते हैं, बट यहाँ पे भी वो सेल्फ डाउट्स कहीं ना कहीं रहते हैं मेल्स के साथ. और ये आई वुड रेट इट 50-50 का इशू है, दोनों में ही रहता है, दोनों में बराबर रहता है ऑलमोस्ट कहीं ना कहीं.
But आपको नहीं लगता कि when a woman is resigning from a job,
उनके पास एक प्रेशर कम होगा. इफ आई वोंट टेक अ फाइनेंस थिंग, बट कहीं ना कहीं उनका एक प्रेशर कम होगा टेकिंग अ रिजाइन. मतलब इफ आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक अ रिजाइन फ्रॉम अ पर्टिकुलर जॉब, माई प्रेशर विल बी लिटिल लेस कि ओके फाइन, अगर मुझे नया जॉब नहीं मिला मेरे अंदर वो प्रेशर कम होगा. बट सेम अगर आपको जॉब से रिजाइन करना है, आपका प्रेशर ज्यादा होगा. डज दैट हैपन?
हाँ, इसको कंसिडर करा जाए तो या डेफिनेटली. अगेन गोइंग बैक टू दैट कि आई एम द मैन ऑफ द हाउस, आई हैव टू ब्रिंग फूड टू द टेबल. ठीक है. सो एक वो प्रेशर आज भी कहीं ना कहीं बना हुआ है, वेर बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल्स आर वर्किंग, बोथ मेल एंड फीमेल आर एक्चुअली अर्निंग, एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर एक्चुअली डूइंग. बट वो दोनों सिचुएशंस में जाता है. फीमेल्स आर टोल्ड फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड कि ठीक है इतना कर लो कि अच्छा पति मिल जाए. लड़कों को ये बोला जाता है कि तुमको पढ़ना है, करियर स्टैब्लिश करना है ताकि तुम कमा पाओ, ताकि तुम फैमिली को सपोर्ट कर पाओ. ये एक तरह से हमारे माइंड के अंदर ना वायर कर दी गई चीजें कहीं ना कहीं. सो अगर जॉब छोड़ने की बात है, अगर इस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम्पल को लिया जाए, तो मेल्स पे थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा प्रेशर होता है कि यार व्हाट इफ आई डिडंट गेट अ न्यू जॉब, how will I put food on my table? How will I support a family then? Will I be able to? And that leads to self doubt, that leads to lack of self confidence, and down the road.
Okay, thank you. So, like I know we have already discussed about it, but can you tell a few things that why it is important to talk about men's mental health?
Why is it important about talking about men's mental health?
Yeah.
We have to remove this stereotype because we are living in 21st century, and since 2 decades, I'll not go very far. Okay, since two to 3 decades, approximately 30 years back, we did not know a lot about mental health in itself, and we have reached up to a point where we have started considering mental health. अभी भी अगर हम मेंस मेंटल हेल्थ को इग्नोर करेंगे या फिर उसको भी स्टेरियोटाइप करेंगे, then it's going to take another 30 years to actually come up, but it's definitely going to come up. So why not start from today and reduce it? Because right now as well, I have the same ratio of male and female client that I see. And that's something that I look up to because there are males as well who are coming in the sessions and sharing their issues, and they are getting better day by day. And I would definitely say कि it's a very must thing that males also should seek help if needed. That it doesn't actually make you um, vulnerable. It doesn't make you a low person. It doesn't make you a female. Although female is not a bad word, or females are not bad, they are doing good, but it doesn't actually equate you to a female or anything. It's the same thing. It's completely okay to actually reach out. So right now, if we don't work on the stereotype, then when can we exactly work on the stereotype?
Okay. Okay. So, do you think apps like Tinder, Bumble are bad for men's mental health and self-esteem?
Depends. Depends on what, why they are there exactly. That's the whole thing. It's a very important thing if you're going. See, no apps are bad or good in a way, ठीक है, in general. But आप किस consideration से गए हो? क्योंकि होता क्या है, मैंने ये चीज पर्सनली नोटिस करी है क्योंकि काफी सारे लोग ये चीज बोलते हैं, यार कोई लड़की अगर टिंडर पे है, उसको 25 क्या कहते हैं स्वाइप्स मिल जाते हैं इन अ डे. Guys don't get it. It's a very generalized thing that has been put out कि ओके नहीं मिलते हैं. ठीक है. और जिसकी वजह से द गाइज कैन एक्चुअली फील कि यार मैं अच्छा नहीं दिखता हूँ क्या, या मैं अच्छा लिखता नहीं हूँ, या मेरी पर्सनालिटी में कोई कमी है. दे स्टार्ट डाउटिंग देमसेल्व्स इन अ वे. सो डेफिनेटली इस वे में अगर देखा जाए तो डेफिनेटली इट टेक्स अ हिट. बट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वहां हो क्या रहा है, वो एप्स किस बेसिस के लिए बनाए गए हैं, एंड उसमें क्या चीज चल रही है इन जनरल. ठीक है. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट द जेंडर ओवर देयर एज वेल. इट्स नॉट अबाउट दैट एट ऑल. सो यू डोंट हैव टू टेक इट ऑन योरसेल्फ इन एनी वे. बाकी इफ यू आर going there and you're having a very open mind, definitely you're not going to find any problem being on those apps.
Okay. Okay. So, why uh, why do you think that men do not like to talk about their mental health issues?
Why do you think men don't like to talk about mental health issues?
I have experienced that.
The
I
major,
have friends who haven't talked about, like, they are facing issues because
the
being a psychologist, you understand that, but they are not ready to talk about it. And they would say काम का pressure है or etc etc.
because of the same thing, because of the same stereotype, the same wiring that has happened over the year. कि नहीं यार, अगर मैंने बात करी, अगर किसी को पता लग गया कि मैं काउंसलिंग के लिए जा रहा हूँ या मैं थेरेपी के लिए जा रहा हूँ, आई एम गोइंग टू बी लुक्ड डाउन अपॉन कि भाई, हाँ तू थेरेपी के लिए जा रहा है, ओके, तू तेरे में हिम्मत नहीं, क्यों जा रहा है, किस लिए जा रहा है, अरे ये हो रहा है, इतना भी नहीं संभाला जाता तेरे से, सिंपल एज दैट। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस ना ऐसे क्लिक हो जाते हैं, ऐसे आते हैं दिमाग में, एक स्नैप के अंदर अंदर आ जाते हैं। whenever I'm going to talk to any guy about therapy, these questions are going to hit like this,
Okay.
यार
So,
ये होगा, ये पूछा जाएगा।
I would ask you that when you chose this career as a psychologist, except family would have also questioned, what about your friends and I would say दूर के रिश्तेदार इन हिंदी व्हाट डिड हाउ मतलब लाइक समवेयर होते हैं ना उनका भी थोड़ा एक प्रेशर रहता है आपके ऊपर ओह तुमने ये कोर्स किया बिकॉज व्हेन आई टुक साइकोलॉजी आई नो व्हाट आई heard from lot of people. I just want to know from you. आपको कभी ऐसे demotivation नहीं आया वो चीजें सुन के?
I'll say the close family, they accepted it quite well. The people like जिनको हम दूर के रिश्तेदार कहते हैं, I think my parents did not let that come to me in any way. They stopped
Okay.
it right there, and that's how you actually stop the generational trauma in a way. And I think they did their job, and I'm doing my job right now in most efficient way, I'll say. ठीक है, बाकी रही friends की बात, friends were also quite supportive of what I was doing. Um, I have very like few friends, but they were all right. They were like, okay, fine, if you want to do this, do this. Although आई डिड नॉट नो कि ओके मैं जो कर रहा हूँ वो ठीक है या नहीं है, वो तो मुझे शुरू करने के बाद पता लगा था कि ओके आई हैव टू डू दिस एंड आई थिंक दिस इज माय कॉलिंग, सो इट वाज जस्ट अ गट फीलिंग कि ओके आई हैव टू गो फॉर दिस एंड आई डिड।
Okay. So this would also be a question related to you only because I want men to get more aware about it. When you started working, your first experience, which I also know was with me, like, so you were the only guy who was there in the office. Others were women. How you felt about that? Like, you have also done an art therapy course as well. In that also, I think you were the only. So during that time, see, college में at the end of the you will meet people. Classes के बाहर you will meet people. How about in the office? How I used to go through that? मतलब
I
आपको कभी
think over
अजीब
the
नहीं
period
लगता
of
था?
I think over the period of 5 years in college, you get conditioned to what what you feel in day-to-day life. So when I reached college, that was the first time and the only time I felt, oh, I did not expect so many girls over there. And okay, now there are only 4 or 5 guys in the class, and there are no other guys. And in the whole department, there are, let's say, 50, 60 guys at that time. There were, okay. And I was like, okay, this is going to hit me hard, and this is going to put me down later. But I think it worked out pretty well. The people over there, the classmates, the people in the class, college as well, they took it pretty well. They did not see me as an outsider, but like a person of their own quality, of their own class. So I would say कि वहां से वो जो एक हिच थी वो निकल गई कहीं ना कहीं। एंड उसके बाद मुझे पता था कि ओके ठीक है, अब इस इंडस्ट्री में विमेन ओरिएंटेड इंडस्ट्री है ये, बट इसमें ऐसा नहीं कि एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है ऑफ मेल पीपल एज वेल, so I will be able to actually do quite good if I'll be going in this direction. So वो चीज वहां निकल गई एंड आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग कि हाँ आगे जहां भी जाऊंगा ऐसा ही होने वाला है, इट्स गोइंग टू बी दिस वे, सो कम्प्लीटली फाइन। सो कॉलेज के बाद कहीं पर भी ऐसा और फील नहीं हुआ, ऑफिस में या कहीं पे भी फील नहीं
That's great, Sagar. This is something very, like I would say, very motivating for all of us. Okay, so why is men's health is often ignored? Why the ratio of men is higher than women when it comes to smoking, alcohol, and drug consumption or abuse? Why smoking, alcohol, and drug addiction is higher among men?
हुआ। ड्यू टू द सेम रीजंस दे, मैंने जैसे बोला था ना, एनर्जी कैन नेवर बी क्रिएटेड नॉर बी डिस्ट्रॉयड, इट कैन ओनली बी ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम वन फॉर्म टू अनदर। अब वो एनर्जी कहीं से तो निकलनी है ना। अब they resort to smoking or drugs or alcohol in a way to actually cope up with the suppressed emotions and feelings that are there। मुझे उनको डील करने के लिए कुछ हाइप चीज चाहिए होती है so that I can go with my day in a normal way, and they resort to alcohol, smoking, or your drugs। And last thing that you said was abuse। Again, emotions have a way out। ठीक है, it has a proper way out। आप हंसते हो यानी कि आप हैप्पीनेस को जाहिर कर रहे हो। अगर आप सैड होते हो, आप रोते हो, इट्स द राइट वे टू एक्चुअली लेट एन इमोशन आउट। बट जब वो इमोशंस ठीक से बाहर नहीं आते हैं, दे स्टार्ट इंडल्जिंग इन सम अदर वे to get out of your body, your mind। एंड अब्यूज इज वन ऑफ द फॉर्म जो कि इंसान को पता भी नहीं होता है, बट दे आर hurting some other person in order to actually put their trauma, put their emotions, feelings out। Projection, this is what we call it, projection। Yeah,
Okay,
so
thank you.
that's why।
Okay, thank you. Is it damaging to men's mental health to be hold to man up?
Is it damaging to men's mental health to be um, told to man up? Yes, definitely। अगेन दो स्टेटमेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे। एक है मैन अप, सेकंड स्टेटमेंट है लड़कियों की तरह क्यों रो रहा है।
Yes,
आई थिंक बोथ आर डैमेजिंग इन अ वे, है ना। मैन अप इज
yes,
समथिंग कि ओके, मैन आर सपोज टू बी द स्ट्रॉन्ग पर्सन, मैन आर सपोज टू बी द वॉरियर्स। yes, they were supposed to be, their job role was to be a warrior in ancient time। ठीक है, एक विमेन के हाथ में आज बंदूक दे दो, एक मेल के हाथ में, एक मैन के हाथ में बंदूक दे दो, आई डोंट थिंक या तो वो दोनों चला पाएंगे या दोनों नहीं चला पाएंगे। उनमें से अगर एक भी चला रहा है, दैट डजंट मेक हिम और हर अ मैन,
yes.
राइट। इट्स नॉट बेस्ड ऑन दैट एनी मोर। ठीक है, तो जब पूरी की पूरी सोसाइटी बदल चुकी है, टाइम्स बदल चुके हैं, वी आर वे अबव एंड बियॉन्ड, एंड women's are doing really really amazing in all the industries, be it I would say army as well for today's time, be it navy as well। so man up का मतलब क्या है? to show that I'm the strong person। so क्या आप उस फीमेल को बोलते हो टू मैन अप तभी वो बंदूक उठा के चलती है? नहीं ना। And I would say कि a female carries much more pain throughout the time, physical pain, than a man, than a male। In today's time, I'm talking about right now, today। ठीक है। So what's this statement about all कि man up? I don't think। अगर आप मैन अप बोल रहे हो तो उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप स्ट्रेंथ को शो कर रहे हो इन अ वे। और लड़कियों की तरह रो रहा है डजंट शो द वीकनेस एज वेल। So
I
both of
agree to
these
you.
statements are derogatory and not good, damaging in a way।
Okay, so what can we do about it? Like how we can help our friends, our colleagues, our other people, how we can help them so that they come up or they go to the psychologist or a therapist, how we can help with that.
On personal level, if you're not a psychologist, we both are psychologists. We are seeing the world in from some other lens. But for people who are not from this background, or people who are living, they're just living their life but see the things around them, I would just say that accept both the genders equally. First thing, okay, you are not going to treat one gender in other way and the other gender in other way। You're going to treat both the genders in same and equal intensity, and if need be it female, be it male, you're going to help them out। How? अब वो आपके ऊपर है कि आप उनको अपने आप हेल्प प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो या फिर आप उनको मोटिवेट कर रहे हो टू सीक हेल्प फ्रॉम अ प्रोफेशनल आउट देयर। ठीक है. I would say that going to a psychologist doesn't make you, मैं अगेन वही लेबल्ड फॉर्म्स को यूज करूंगा यहाँ पे, मेक यू अ मैड पर्सन, मेक यू अ पागल. ठीक है. People who are going through day-to-day life challenges also seek help from a professional. We are not there to actually give you advices. Sorry, but that's completely a wrong notion out there. We are not here to actually give you advices, but to actually help you drive your car in a much better way. That's all. And if you're going to seek therapy or counseling from a professional, that would be the right way to deal with your own issue. And the issue could be something like पहाड़ उठाना, और other issue could be something like a पेन ढूंढना. दोनों हो सकते हैं. ये दोनों मेटाफर्स मैंने यूज करे हैं. दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स हैं. सो आप दोनों के लिए ही आप काउंसलिंग या थेरेपी को सीख कर सकते हो. दिस इज व्हाट आई से.
Oh, I would like if you like I would request our audience if they have any questions from us, or we would end the live.
Yeah, sure. Please
Yeah.
go ahead, people.